Hi, Mom. Can I have some? It's too bad for your teeth. Mom, I love you so much. You're just so sweet. Bye. Worked like a charm. Huh? Where's my chocolate? I just couldn't help myself. It's tomato juice time. I just can't get enough of this stuff. Hey! Mind if you share some? Just a second. Only a bit left. Hey! All out, see? I know what you did! Hey, I know how to get him back. Let the pranking begin. He loves a cup of coffee. Especially with whipped cream. And extra sprinkles. Tio! Whoa, is this for me? Mm-hmm. That's so sweet of you. Gah! Ha! Serves you right, Tio! I love ironing! That makes one of us. Is it 5 already? This chicken is truly superb! I'm coming over every day! Mmm! This food's so delicious! Mmm-mm! Oh, I don't feel so good. That's better. Time for an afternoon snooze. She's gotta go. No way! She can't come over here. Hey, I have an idea! This ought to keep Betty away! It's her! Go get it! Ready? Let's do this! It's gonna be so good! Help me! Sophia? What happened? Are those Tio's legs? Just go help Tio upstairs! I'm on it! Oh my goodness! Go back down there! Go! Oh! I'm coming! Here! Need help with those feet? Tio? This isn't funny, you guys! Is someone in there? I really have to go! I don't know if I can hold it. Nope. Definitely couldn't. How embarrassing! TP time! Oh, hi, Sophia. See ya. The nerve of that guy! I know. He wants to play bathroom games. His wish is my command. This is messy, but it'll be worth it. Nice touch, right? Good! Hey! Heading to the kitchen! What on earth? This is truly highness! Oh, I'm gonna be sick! Oh! Yes! Ugh! Sophia! And for the grand finale. Are you sick or something? Wait! This is gonna be truly epic! Later, Mom! Boo! I really got her good, huh? Gah! So scary! Ah! It's just too easy! I know how to really scare her. It's gonna be so good! Mm-mm. Boo! You nearly gave me a heart attack! Gotcha again! Tio! He's so annoying! So much for these. Wait a minute. I know how to put this to good use. Tio! Take out the trash, will you? Why do I have to? He'll never see this one coming. Whatever. I guess someone has to do it. Sure is nice out. Boo! No! The trash! I sure got you back! What's that? Cookies? Ooh! Yum! Oh, they're not for me, though. Whatever. Finders keepers. Mmm! Yummy! Guess I got a little carried away. Whoops. Ooh, that isn't sitting well. I'd better get out of here. Huh? My special cookies! Are they all gone? This has Sophia written all over it! That greedy little rat! But two can play this game. Things are heating up in the kitchen. This is the same as a soy latte, right? Just a little saltier. Make sure to mix it well. Oh yeah! Sophia! What's up? Enjoy my cookies? Well, it was just an accident. Here. You're the best, Tio! What on earth is in here? It's revolting! I've got a shower! Ugh. Phew! That was quite a party! Goodbye, heels! Now for my real treat! I can't wait! Even better than I expected! My one true love! Hey, Sophia! Is that your birthday gift? It's mine, okay? I get it. Jeez. Have I ever told you the story about the time I lost my bike? Mm-hmm. I work like a charm! I'll take this off your hands. I knew there'd be chocolate in here! Of course! I'll take these too! So brilliant! She'll never find the key now! Look at him go! Now to reward my brilliance. Hey! Thief! My balloons! How did they get up there? They're so high up! Huh! Oh, fine. They're just out of my reach! Guess we're both out of luck. Here. I'm so glad it's finally lunchtime. Everything's in place. Howdy! Eating lunch, huh? What's on the menu today? Roast beef? That's my all-time favorite! Mmm! Hey, bro! Can I ever eat in peace? Now's my chance! You want what I have? What's mine is yours, then! So thirsty! Huh? Something's wrong with this juice! You think you're smooth, huh? See ya! Think your friends would appreciate these pranks? Probably not. But that's all part of the fun, isn't it? Don't forget to share this video with your buddies. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out.